for today's video, we're gonna get what is the other person black.
If you're
Wait, I don't have my black yet.
okay,
Now I have a black.
you're com-
No, is your black can craftable? Can be crafted?
yes.
Yes. No, no,
How many
no,
are you left?
no,
Or
no,
how many
no.
are
Wait. No, no. That's it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 left.
okay?
Your turn.
If your blood can be seen in the end,
And then. No. Is your black shiny?
no.
No. This is not shiny. Not This is maybe no. This is not. This is not shiny. Oh, not shiny. Why not shiny?
Mm-mm.
Shiny. That that's it.
Come on. Is your block found in the end?
No. Is your black can see in the overworld. Overworld.
No.
No. One. That's two.
Okay.
Three. Tinty. Oh, now I have four.
Is your block in nether?
No. Your black in the end.
No.
No.
Not that grass block. There's, is your block a monster spawner?
Is your black? No. Is your black bloodstone?
No.
No.
Is your block a slime block?
No. Is your black stick?
No.
No.
Is your block flying?
No. Your black bone black.
No.
Huh? No. What is your black then?
Brick!
Is your said not ano in the overworld? You said it's not. Brick is the overworld. Eh.